So, what is artificial intelligence and what is the important why we are talking about the intelligence? So, we will see the different aspects of artificial intelligence in healthcare sector in this video. So, first, I just want to elaborate briefly about the artificial intelligence. What is it actually? So as the name itself suggests, artificial intelligence, so it's all about the machine. There will be a machine that can analyze data, interpret data similar to human being. So artificial intelligence is more about the machine intelligence, yeah, machine technology learning. The machine will be so developed that can process information and provide decision making data. Especially in health sector, it's gonna be tremendously beneficial for the scientists, researcher, doctors, or in the diagnosis field to analyze data as early as possible. Because in healthcare sector, there is a always urgency to know exact information or condition of patient or the different health related data of the patient in very urgent time. So artificial intelligence machine centrally gonna be help to improve healthcare sector in very huge way in coming time. FDA has recently approved the first AI-based diagnostic device, a system that looks for eye disease by examining photos of the retina. High quality images are uploaded, and the algorithm then proceeds to check for possible indication of diabetic retinopathy. So, the disorder was correctly identified by the software. Okay, and if the correct diagnosis occurred by the instrument, then certainly the patient is going to take best healthcare support for improving his or her health. So AI application can improve the speed and accuracy of the diagnosis process. So it's USA FDA who has approved recently one for the diabetic retinopathy especially. So this is a very tremendous achievement in the healthcare sector, especially for the eye care. So come AI utilization in drug discovery. Friends, machine learning algorithms are also be utilized to safely explore chemical and biological interactions in the drug discovery. In the for early treatment, there is a need to drug discovery and have a best fitted drug for the disease. So friends, AI, artificial intelligence or machine learning algorithms are also be utilized to safely explore chemical and biological interaction in the drug discovery process, bringing new drugs to the market and for the patient to cure patient as soon as possible. So many ways we can analyze patient data or patient history or disease data history in different way by utilizing artificial intelligence machine, and by utilizing disease data and by knowing the exact biological interaction in the drug discovery, we can say that by utilizing these all the different aspects of the AI, the scientists or researchers certainly be going to give the best product or best services for the patient care. So it will be certainly going to hugely make this healthcare sector more accurate and more based on scientific data. Now some projects of AI, artificial intelligence. Microsoft is developing Project Inner Eye, an AI tool for radiotherapy. 3D contouring of a patient's planning can be produced in minutes rather than hours. So the time taking is very short by utilizing artificial intelligence. It's coming in minutes what are previously in the hours. So really it's going to be reduced the time period of diagnosis. Now see the other segment of these things, the dosimetrists and radiation oncologists. Utilizing the system have full control of accuracy. If they are using artificial intelligence, then they will have the full control of accuracy and the consistency also in the accuracy. So by saving the cost and saving the time, it will be going to help both the patient and organization, hospitals and doctors to do some more time in different way for the health care improvement. Microsoft is also working on other project, that is a Hanover, an AIA, artificial intelligence based system intended to catalog biomedical research papers from PubMed. PubMed is a archive, which is a journal of American Society for Microbiology, is a journal, and PubMed is archive of that journal. So in this archive of the American Society for Microbiology journal, there are many research papers are available. So what and they are going to utilize this PubMed archive in many ways, that by utilizing the AI system, they can produce cancer cancer diagnosis and determine which drug combinations might be most suited to individual patient, because there are a lot of research paper from the different countries or area, you can say, or even the new cities, different cities from all over the world. So actually they are dependent on also the geographical and demographical condition, uh, in the sake of treatment of a disease, because the some diseases have a different severity in different area in many ways. If a particular disease has severe in some area, but that disease is not severe in another area, or not uh, infecting people in severe way in other area. So if the research paper will be available from the different areas of the world, and if a machine will be available to analyzing all the data from the different re, areas research paper, so it's not possible by a human being to read out all the journal and have all the data in a very accurate way, because there are different work of the human brain, and they are involving in different emotional work also. So in comparison to data analysis and interpretation, the machine can give more precisely and accurate data in consistent way, or we can say that precision level will be greater in the machine. So if we are using these all things in coming days, then we can see the better healthcare system in all over the world. Thank you, friends. Have a great time ahead. Have a great health. Bye.